Christmas, when you smell the time, the atmosphere, you can tell you that Christmas is just coming up, guys. Just beautiful, really nice, excited time of the year where everyone, the family, come together and have a wonderful time. The songman said it's a wonderful time of the year, which is Christmas. But it's not all about eating and marinating and do a lot of stuff. But remember, there is one person we always have to remember. Anyway, we're gonna show you how you can make your Christmas pudding. That's the English way. Next time, then the black cake, Caribbean cake, gonna be coming up very soon. We're gonna have a ham coming out and a pot roast beef. We love you. Thank you so much. Remember Black Friday sales. There's a lot of stuff going on. So guys, 50% off my cookbook. And also enjoy yourself and have a wonderful time. Leave your comments below about my Christmas pudding. See you next time. Bye-bye. Chef Ricardo. We're going to make you the whole good Christmas pudding. The English way, the English style, and it is very easy and simple. Basically, I just went to the shop and I saw the fruits. Soaking mixed fruits with brandy. The basic thing I want to simply say to you, this one is already come soak and everything just ready to make your Christmas pudding. And you have the brandy inside of it. This is 800 grams. As you can see, long expired date, April 2016. So we have a lot of times. And this, we got all of the fruits which you need to make your Christmas pudding for this Christmas, guys. For allergy and for safety, please read the instruction and the information a bit at the back. They say if you are allergic to anything in the inside of it. So as I say, it already soaked. You got all the fruits. I went in the shop and I saw it and I said to myself, you know what? I'm gonna buy this one and I'm gonna make my Christmas pudding with this one. All right. So this is 800 grams, and basically I'm gonna use roughly half of it to make my Christmas pudding. Get my big bowl. You can smell the brandy, it smells so nice. I'm gonna use roughly say 3/4 of it to make my Christmas pudding. So I'm using 3/4 of it, alright? And this is all of it inside of there. The ball. Lovely. And I love the smell. It smells so nice. I smell the brandy. Yeah. Really nice. Oh my days, the brandy. So that's all the fruits inside, and I'm using 3/4 of the 800 grams. Next thing, we're gonna add 6 ounces of sugar, and I'm using brown sugar and white sugar. Simply give it a mix. 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and I'll just blend up my breadcrumbs, 1 cup. Nice one. So we're gonna put some cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and also 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Nice one. One teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna put 3 eggs inside of it. Beat your egg first, guys, please. Simple, just use a fork and beat your egg. Nice, we're gonna add 3 eggs. One orange. I just juice my orange and I'm putting the liquid. And I use 1 lemon and I'm putting the liquid. Squeeze the liquid inside of it. Well, I grated the outside of my orange, and this is the orange, and I'm scraping straight inside of it like this. Same thing with the lemon. I'm put it inside of it like this. Nice one. And also we're gonna put some flour. One cup of plain flour. And a pinch of salt. Not too much salt, guys. I don't want it to be salt. Simple, give it a mix. Nice and lovely. Then after you give it that, then I have some dark rum, and I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of dark rum inside of it. Let's start. This is the easiest Christmas pudding, guys. No time to waste because we have a lot of things to do. So we are making this very easy and simple. Nice one. So as you can see, the richness of it looking lovely and nice. So basically I have my Christmas bowl right here, which I'm gonna be using. There's a lot more stuff can go inside of it if you like to put more stuff. Go on the internet, you can read about more Christmas pudding, but this is the way I'm gonna make my Christmas pudding. Simple. Scrape your Christmas pudding straight inside of it like this. Get all of it, everything inside of it. Nice one. Then get a piece of paper, and also let's move the bowl out of the way so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. Simple. Put a piece of a cling film around it like this. Make sure it's sealed really good, so as you can see what I'm doing right here, I'm double laying it, as you can see. The next piece of a paper, kitchen foil, and I double foil it, and it's sealed good. The next thing, get your this is kitchen this is some kitchen card which I'm gonna be using now, guys. Alright? So basically I'm gonna cut a piece of a kitchen card. You know, kitchen card is something what they normally do, use it to. So what you're gonna do, simple. Kitchen card is a thing where they normally use, you know, when they tie up the chicken. So basically if you go to the shop and they want to get chicken, you want to get the card, you need to ask for. Then I'm gonna seal tight again, just to make sure it really seal. Give it a slip knot. Nice one. And then simple, try and get it inside of here like this. So you want to make like an angle where you can type like this, like this. So this is what you want to do. Lift it up like this. So the excess bit on the outside, simple, cut it off. Cut off the file on the outside, the excess bit. Yes, piece more. Cut it off. So it's good to work with the scissors, guys. This is the easiest Christmas pudding. Nothing too complicated, alright? Lovely. Nice. So this is what you want to do, alright? Lovely and nice. So everything is inside. Now next part, because this is going to be cooked for 2 hours. Nice. So basically you need a big size pot like this one, alright? So as I can see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. You need a handle like this to hold it. Lovely. But the only thing, you need something, you don't have to put something in the bottom. But it's good to put something in the bottom just to rise it up out of the bottom of the pot. When the heat is on it, you don't burn your baking pan. So right here, I have this star cutter, and I'm gonna put it in the bottom of it. Second thing, I just boil some water in my kettle, and I'm gonna pour it in it like this. So I'm gonna start it off with some hot water. All right, some boiling water from the kettle. And I'm gonna refill back my kettle and boil it again and pour it straight inside of it. So this is exactly what we are talking about. The next thing, you need to put this inside of it like this, and the water have to full over at least to the top of the paste of the pastry pan right here, the pudding pan. So the water must exactly come up to about the top of this, and then we're gonna cover it. Alright? So I'm gonna fill it up with some more water. So in the meantime, I'm gonna switch on my oven, my stove, and make it start to boil. Alright? Nice one. So as I can see, this is the water all the way up here. As I can see, this is it right here. The water come all the way up to the pudding. So basically, we're gonna make this boil for roughly 2 hours, and all you need to do is just watch it, fill the kettle all the time. If the water run down, you pour more water in it, and just cook it for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, you take it out and put it down for it to cool for 24 hours or for 6 hours. All right. So now I'm gonna cover it like this. Enjoy the recipe. So guys, one more basic, want to simply say to you, as I can see the steam coming out. Look at this. All right. I want you to see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about. You notice the water boil all the way go down. I keep filling up it. Over the last hour now, it's been boiling like this. Lovely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill it up and put some more water. So remember, I told you this takes 2 hours to cook. So I'll fill it up back with some more water, and I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna give it another hour to cook and boil. So as the water goes down, you add it with some more water. If you have a steamer at your house, you can do the same thing, steam it for 2 hours or 3 hours. It's not a big pudding, so it will take roughly 2 hours. If you're doing a bigger one, it will take 4 hours or 6 hours. So the bigger it go, is the more time it takes. So remember guys, the mixed fruit I use, remember it is a soak fruits I buy. You can buy your fruits and soak it if you like. For more information, you can type up Christmas pudding on the internet and get more information. It's very easy and simple recipe, and you can do it at home. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely guys. Roughly 2.5 hours now since I have it boiling inside of that pot. But the beauty is, it is ready. That's the beauty. Alright? I'm gonna turn off my stove. And basically what I'm gonna do, alright, is simple. Take it out of the pot. As I said, you have to have something like this to hold it. Alright? Take it out, and I'm gonna put it right here. Like this. And basically we're gonna leave it just like this for the next 24 hours. Pour away this water, you don't need this water, and leave it for it to cool down. As you can see, the Christmas pudding is inside of this. So tomorrow, what we're gonna do tomorrow in the next 24 hours, when it cool down, we're gonna take it out and look at it and decorate it and serve it with some cream. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you in 24 hours guys. Bye bye. Lovely. So as you can see, the Christmas pudding is done. Now it's 24 hours, as I said before guys. Basically we're gonna simple remove the string and make you guys see exactly what we are about with this Christmas pudding. Alright? Nice and lovely. So we're gonna remove all of the plastic and everything. Look at that. That is marvelous. And I can smell the scent. So basically, as I can see, we're gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out guys and rest it in a plate and show you how my Christmas pudding look. All right, nice and lovely guys. As I can see, it is right here, done and dusted. I just take it out. But as I can see, exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with the Christmas pudding. Basically, if you cut down a little piece like this and like this, this is exactly what we are about with the lovely Christmas pudding. So guys, hopefully this can be a benefit to you, and you know what I mean, subscribe and leave your comments on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. As you can see, looking really lovely and nice. It's just another Christmas tips for you guys. Look at it, marvelous, nice. As you can see, looking so good, yummy. You can have it with some custard or with some cream. Enjoy the Christmas pudding and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye. A lot of tips and ideas and things, and also your comments are just brilliant. So remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and remember, Christmas we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorry, so a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.